Now, in a historic moment for devotees across the nation, the doors of the newly consecrated Ram Mandir in Ayodhya have been opened to the public. The grand opening comes after an elaborate Pran Pratishtha ceremony that took place on Monday. Take a look. All right, viewers, I will go to my colleague Suesha, who is reporting live from Ayodhya. Suesha, please take us through the day. I also have Priyanka with me. But Suesha, coming to you right now, please take us through the day. What is it looking like just after Pran Pratishtha ceremony? Earlier also, when we three were talking, you, Priyanka and I, then we realized that how much people are excited and they are standing in long queues to get a glimpse of Lord Ram Lalla. So please take us through the sentiments on the ground, Suesha.
Oh yes, very good morning to you once again, Nikita. It is now, I can say, at about 10:30 in the morning, when I can call it a bright sunny morning. It wasn't so until now, because there was, of course, it's been dense fog in the mornings. Plus, apart from that, yes, the devotees are in high spirits, because some who've already got their darshan and some who are waiting to get their darshan. But right now, I'm at Saryu Ghat, while Priyanka is at and outside the mandir, I'd say, where she is getting you a beeline of those devotees who are here, and they are waiting to get inside the mandir. These are the scenes at Ram Ki Pauri. So I primarily, let me tell you, I started walking from Ram Ki Pauri, and as I'm walking all the way along, you of course see how the devotees here are taking a holy dip in the water. And if Anil can also show you this frame, Anil, I want to request you to come to this corner, and okay, he's saying that we must walk along to get our viewers the best pictures from here. So you see how a lot of them are taking a dip in the holy waters. Of course, Ram bhajans that are resonating all across Ayodhya, and that has been the scene. Of course, for the last 2 days, we were seeing a lot of singing and dancing and performances, because this is how the people had prepared for the consecration ceremony, and they were ensuring that there is that sense of jubilation, excitement and celebration that happens. Today is, I won't say a regular day in Ayodhya, because the spirits are still very high. In fact, let me also tell you, last evening, it was literally a Diwali-like evening. There were a lot of firecrackers that people were bursting all across, and the sky in Ayodhya was completely lit like it's a Diwali night. And this morning you'll see how many people here. In fact, right across is Saryu Ghat, and this here is Ram Ki Pauri. This is the holy water where Sri Ram had stepped, and this is why people consider this very, very auspicious. You see, even in the middle of the water, when it is so cold and literally freezing temperatures, that doesn't deter their spirits in any way, and they're all in unison shouting Jai Shri Ram slogans, and they are all chanting Jai Shri Ram right here. And let me tell you, Nikita, it is not easy, because it is very, very cold right here in Ayodhya. But in these cold waters also, their devotion is soaring, and you see how it is crowded here at Ram Ki Pauri. Let's also walk a little further. If I can request Anil to show you the scenes here. This is Ram Ki Pauri. We'll also get to Saryu Ghat, but primarily you see all these devotees who have come here. Some, in fact, who have already done the darshan at the mandir yesterday, at Ram Mandir, and they have decided to take a holy dip the next day, and some who have come here first, and probably whenever they get a chance. Of course, right now it is very, very crowded, but they will have to stand for hours in the line to be able to get darshan. Don't know when, they will have their chance, but these are the pictures we are getting you live at about 10:30 this morning from Ayodhya, the temple town of Ayodhya, Ayodhya Nagari, that is and continues to be all saffron with Ram flags and Jai Shri Ram slogans coming in right across. You see the expanse of these waters, and Nikita, I also want to bring in Priyanka at this point. Priyanka, The scene here is certainly buzzing and people are very, very excited because some who will go to the mandir to take the darshan. But we know since early this morning pictures coming in of how it has been very, very crowded outside the mandir. People have lined up all through the night till the doors opened at 7 and they have been trying to get in. Has it gotten any better? Because I also in fact spoke to the authorities when it came to allowing us. You and I had to face a lot of difficulty in order to get where we are right now. What is the ground situation like outside the mandir?
Well, yes, Suesha, it doesn't seem to have gotten any better, but I don't see anybody complaining. Everyone, in fact, has been lining up here and, in fact, are chanting Jai Shri Ram. There's a lot of grins that we see on people's faces, a lot of ear-to-ear smiles that we see on people's faces. The chants of Jai Shri Ram, there are very, interesting bits and pieces that we would like to show you. There are people who have come with their Pad Yatra. They have their entire face painted with Jai Shri Ram. आप बताइए कहाँ से आए हैं?
मैं लखनऊ से आया हूँ और मैं 140 किलोमीटर का मैंने सफ़र तय किया 4 दिन में।
चल के आए, पद यात्रा करके आए। ये हटाइए जरा, दिखाइए। अच्छा, पैदल चलकर आए हैं।
यस।
रामलला को देख।
यस।
किस तरह से दिख रहा है पूरा माहौल, पूरा जश्न का? दर्शन हुए आपके?
मैम ये दर्शन ही तो हो रहे हैं मैम। ये है क्या? ये सारे वानरी तो खड़े हैं मैम, इतने दर्शन करने आए मैम। हम तो कम पड़ गए। मुझे तो माहौल देख के बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है। मैं तो वैसे ही मैंने धरती छू ली, समझिए राम को छू लिया। मैम मैं आपको बताऊं, मैं देशवासियों से एक चीज़ अपील करना पसंद करूंगा। अगर आपको अच्छी लगे तो ठीक, नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं। मेरे कहने से तो कोई आगे बढ़ेगा नहीं, क्योंकि मोदी से कहने से लोग आगे नहीं बढ़े तो मैं कौन हूँ। मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि देशवासियों से, कोई भी देशवासी अगर राम जी से दर्शन करने आ रहा है, वो प्लीज़ उनकी एक छवि अपने दिल में उतार के जाए। जैसे कि कोई सत्य की बात अगर आपको है तो वो कहिए, चापलूसी मत करिए, चाहे वो नेता हो और चाहे वो जनता हो, क्योंकि जनता इसी में पिसी जा रही कि सत्य का सामना कोई नहीं कर रहा है। ये सत्य आ गए ना।
आप दर्शन करके आए?
नहीं मैम, मैं भीड़ में
रुके हैं अभी दर्शन के लिए?
मैं जी रुका हूँ, वो भीड़ आगे बढ़े तो मैं झोला लेके खड़ा हूँ, मैं भी जाऊँ। मैं बस प्रभु के दर्शन करूँगा और अपने फ्यूचर को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए मैं चाहूँगा कि।
पहली बार आए हैं दर्शन करने?
मैम पहली बार आया हूँ, 140 किलोमीटर में जिद करके आया हूँ अपनी माँ से कि मुझे राम जी से मिलना है। माँ तो जाने नहीं दे रही। मैंने कहा मुझे जाना है तो जाना है, तो उन्होंने कहा अब तक तुम जिद कर रहे हो तो चले जाओ। तो मैं बस 4 दिन में सफ़र किया। मैं इतनी ताकत थी, मैं 1 दिन में नाप सकता था।
4 दिन लगातार चलते रहे और अब आए हैं?
लगातार नहीं, इसीलिए कह रहा हूँ 4 दिन लगा। 1 दिन चलता तो 40 किलो नाप।
अपने मुंह पे काफी सारा अपना जय श्री राम, सीताराम सा।
पूरा अयोध्या इस समय राम से भरा हुआ है, तो मैंने कहा अपने चेहरे को भी बदल लो। मैम एक प्रोटोकॉल मेरा अलग है। मैं जहाँ जाऊँगा अपनी छवि बनाऊँगा और मैं प्रभु श्री राम जी का सेवक हूँ। हनुमान जी मेरे यहाँ लखनऊ में खुद हैं, मैं उनका भी सेवक हूँ। और ये सेवक जहाँ चल देगा तो वहाँ सब कुछ है। जय श्री राम।
That's the sentiment. That's the sentiment of this youngster who has walked from Lucknow and for 4 days has been walking, has now come, and we will speak to more people that are eagerly wanting to share their thoughts. Suesha, let's try to get in a word from them. बताइए क्या कुछ आप समझ रही हैं, सोच रही हैं, महसूस कर रही हैं अब रामलला, अब यहाँ इतने सालों बाद यहाँ पर आए?
मैं इतना ही कहती हूँ कि मैं महाराष्ट्रियन हूँ, मैं जेजुरी से आया हूँ, और मैं इतना ही कहती हूँ ये पेड़ है, अयोध्या का पेड़ है, इसका बूंदा है अपने सबके राम, और डालियाँ हैं हमारे सब भक्त, और जो फल फूल है ये सभी हमारे स्टूडेंट। इसलिए तीनों से बन जाएगा हमारा ऑल जागतिक लेवल का श्री राम अयोध्या, श्री राम अयोध्या, श्री राम अयोध्या। मैं अयोध्या से बोल रही हूँ, मैं राम की माँ हूँ। मैं इतना ही कहती हूँ, कौशल्या माँ इतनी कहती हूँ, मेरे जैसा राम सभी माता जी के पेट में होगा, सभी माता जी के पेट में होगा, और मेरा सबका दिल राम से बड़ा होगा, राम से बड़ा होगा।
Every time somebody speaks their mind or speaks their hearts about Lord Ram, we can see everyone around them nodding in unison and stating that they understand essentially the emotions of the people. Let's try to speak to more people to understand. A very emotional day today. You know, people who have been talking about how they essentially feel their faith here for Lord Ram and how they will be able to do the darshan as well. आप बताइए, आप भी काफी टाइम से मैं आपको देख रही हूँ, आप खड़े हैं, मुस्कुरा रहे हैं, क्या कहना चाहिए?
भावनाओं को शब्दों में बयान नहीं किया जा सकता है, ये अद्वितीय है और हम धन्य हैं, प्रभु की कृपा है बस। जय श्री राम।
So either people choke up or they say that they have no words. We'll try to show you more visuals of how people are in fact walking forward. They're pushing forward. Even 1 inch of steps that they are taking in 15 minutes, they are not complaining. There are smiles on their faces. There are flags in their hands. There are tilaks on their foreheads, and there is Jai Shri Ram on their lips, and that's essentially what we see. आप बताइए।
राम जी से मिलने के लिए हम लोग आए हैं। जय श्री राम। हम लोग बहुत उत्साहित हैं इस दिन के लिए। आज हम लोग बहुत दिन बाद राम जी से मिलने के लिए आए हैं, बहुत उत्साहित हैं और बहुत दिन से इंतजार कर रहे हैं। योगी जी और मोदी जी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कहना चाहते हैं इस दिन को दिखाने के लिए। हम लोग वो युवा हैं जो बहुत भाग्यशाली हैं। हम लोग वो युवा हैं जो बहुत भाग्यशाली हैं। अयोध्या तो एक झांकी है, काशी मथुरा बाकी है। जय श्री राम।
So that is what they are feeling. That is what they are expressing. You know, all of them trying to rush forward as much as it is allowed as per the security protocol. You know, hundreds and hundreds of followers, hundreds and hundreds of devotees who have been stringing along this entire 1 kilometer stretch that we are seeing, and more people, you know, waving us over. More people wanting to express that what essentially it means for them to be in Ayodhya. Sir, आप बताइए किस तरह से आप देख रहे हैं अयोध्या को इस समय, एंड और आप किस तरह से आप समझ रहे हैं ये पूरा जश्न का जो माहौल है, किस तरह?
माहौल है, जश्न का माहौल है, दीपावली जैसा माहौल लग रहा है और अच्छा लग रहा है। नया मंदिर बना है, सबको खुशी है, पूरी दुनिया को खुशी है। भाई हिंदुस्तान में सब लोगों को खुशी है, राम मंदिर बन गया और दर्शन के लिए बहुत सारे पब्लिक आ रही है।
So you can see, Suesha, you know, people in fact are expressing their hearts, expressing their emotions, what it means for them to be here in Ayodhya right now, and essentially just waiting to get a glimpse of their Ram Lala.